10 to 15 pages research paper? Yes, you can do that through an IMRAD format. IMRAD or Introduction, Methods, Results, and Discussions describe the format for the sections of a research report. IMRAD format is commonly used in the field of social sciences, science, and STEM fields. However, if you are currently working on an education research, ka-schooler, ka-researcher, I got you covered. Research papers and theses using this format are of course normally short and concise. The language will be plain and formal, straight to the point and clear. Same with other formats, bawal itong haluan ng personal views, irrelevant discussion, and the use of fanciful language. Now, isa-isahin na natin ang bawat part ng IMRAD format. First is the introduction. In writing the introduction for the IMRAD report, ka-schooler, ka-researcher, we can consider answering the question, what is the research about? Now, we should remember that in introduction, ito yung dapat na content niya. Una, the overview of the study. So, dito papasok yung pag-mention natin about the problem or the gap involved in our study. Pangalawa, yung goals of the study. So, this is tangential to stating the importance of conducting our research. Pangatlo, hindi mawawala yung research questions that the study aimed to answer. And of course, if applicable, nandito din sa introduction ang hypothesis. Now, let us proceed to the second part, the methods. Here, you should consider answering the question, what did you do? This section tells the readers how you conducted your study. Dito po, you will describe your population, your sample, the sampling technique you utilized, the methods and research design, as well as the data gathering procedure that you use. And if applicable, sasabihin mo rin dito sa part na to yung statistical treatment. And going to the third part, the R, which stands for the results. So dito, you will consider the question, what did you find? Sa part na ito, you present the findings of your research. This section contains only the results or findings tantamount to the answers to the research questions. No more, no less. So dito, nandito rin yung ating mga tables and figures of data findings that are labeled and numbered accordingly. And of course, the last part of the IMRAD format, the discussion. So dito, we may ask the question, what does it mean? Sa discussion part, you summarize the main findings of the research study. Wrap up ito ng mga sagot o answers sa mga research questions that you included in your study, maging sa hypothesis na nilagay mo sa introduction. Now, for some researchers who use IMRAD format, minsan ay sinasama din nila sa section na ito yung discussion about the connection of the findings with other research. Also, they include to discuss the limitations of the study, na maglilid naman to recommendation for future research. So, ayan po yung iba't ibang parts ng IMRAD format. Pero wait lang, in order for you to complete your research report in an IMRAD format, an abstract is needed. Abstract is the summary of the study. It is found at the beginning of the paper. Abstract is written, of course, after you have the full report, since it is an overview of the entire paper. By the way, magkakaroon tayo ng separate discussion about abstract. So, gagawa tayo ng video about that. So, wait nyo lang yan. So, there you go, ang parts ng IMRAD format. By the way, ka-schoolers, ka-researchers, watch out for the part 2 of this video. Gagawa tayo ng content showing you an actual sample of a research report using the IMRAD format. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, hit mo na yung notification bell para updated ka lagi, una ka lagi pag may bago tayong video na ina-upload dito sa ating channel na Ana PH. So, that's all for today's content. Thank you, ka-schoolers, ka-researchers. See you in our next video. Bye!